Welcome to my class student. It's class 8 English Honeydew. We are doing second chapter The Tsunami and this is session 1. We are going to read the text. Let's see what's there in the story. Now just at the first outset you are seeing what is tsunami. Definition of tsunami. A tsunami is a very large and powerful wave caused by earthquakes under the sea. On 26 December 2004, a tsunami hit Thailand and parts of India such as the Andaman and Nicobar Islands and the Tamil Nadu coast. Here are some stories of courage and survival. So see, in this story, you are going to read some real survival strategies, the real stories of the people, how they were badly affected by tsunami and how did they save their lives. Let's start. Did animals sense that a tsunami was coming? This is a question. Yes, animals can sense when tsunami is there. These stories are all from Andaman and Nicobar archipelago. Archipelago is a group of many islands and the surrounding sea. See, Andaman Nicobar island was there and archipelago is a group of many islands and that is surrounded by the sea. See, this is the picture. Now, here is a character named Ignatius. Ignatius was the manager of a cooperative society in Kachor. His wife woke him up at 6 a.m. because she felt an earthquake. Ignatius carefully took his television set off its table and put it down on the ground so that it would not fall and break. See, this is very much said to the people. If there is a tsunami, there is an earthquake, so you will have to place the thing, those who are heavier, little bit lower so that it will not hit you, because if they will fall, it will hit you badly. So what did he do? He just put the television set, he just off it and off the table he put it so that if it would fall, then it would neither hurt both husband and wife nor it would break. Then the family rushed out of the house. This is also a trick. When there is an earthquake, all are advised to go outside of the house to be on the roadside, because nothing will be there on the road to fall on them. So this is the trick. When there is an earthquake, you will have to take care of these precautions. When the tremors stopped, tremors means that effect was that trembling effect. When the tremors stopped, they saw the sea rising. In the chaos and confusion, two of their children caught hold of the hands of their mother's father and mother's brother and rushed in the opposite direction. So what they saw, कि their children, two of their children, one of the child has got hold of mother's father and next is the mother's brother. He never saw them again. His wife was also swept away. Only the three other children who came with him were saved. So how many children were there? There were 5 children. So what happened? 2 of them who held hand of mother's father and mother's brother were swept away because of that tsunami, because in that wave, and his wife was also swept away. So only the 3 children who came with him were saved. Now tremor, a slight shake, earth tremor, the earth shakes during an earthquake. Chaos, complete disorder or confusion. So it's a chaos, right? Sanjeev was a policeman. Now it's a second character you are seeing. Sanjeev was a policeman serving in the Kachal island of the Nicobar group of islands. He somehow managed to save himself, his wife and his baby daughter from the wave. Sanjeev was lucky enough, he could save his wife and baby daughter. But then he heard cries for help from the wife of John. the guest house cook. Sanju jumped into the water to rescue her, but they were both swept away. Then what happened? So in this, what have you seen? You have seen there were tsunami. Because of the tsunami, as it hit the island badly, one character, Ignatius, who saved 3 of the children who was with them, but he lost his wife and 2 other children who were not with him. And then there was one more character, that was the Sanjeev. Sanjeev held his wife and baby daughter, but there was a John. He heard a cry from John's wife. He wanted to save the wife, but both of them swept away. So here you are seeing how people try to save their life, but because of the wave, because of the huge wave, they could not survive. And what was the tsunami? Tsunami was a very high waves from the sea, and all the Andaman Nicobar island, and the story is that near that Andaman and in the Andaman Nicobar and in that island, the place was there. So sea waves had swept them away. So this is the first part of the story. In the next part, we will go through the next continuation of the story. Till then, have a good revision of this and go through the attack of the tsunami and how powerful it is. Just it is all described through the lessons, through the lines, through the description. So go through it, and in the next class we will meet again. Till then, have a nice revision of this. Thank you.